Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this quick video, I will show you how to turn off and turn on iPad Air. Whether you have an iPad Air 4, iPad Air 5 or iPad Air 6, this guide will help you through the whole process. Later in this video, we will show you the steps to turn on and turn off an iPad Air whose buttons are not working properly. First, let's turn off your iPad. Press and hold the top button and either the volume up or volume down button at the same time. When the power off slider appears, swipe it to the right. Wait until your iPad screen turns completely black. When it does so, your iPad Air has completely turned off. Turning your iPad back on is super simple. Press and hold the top button until you see the Apple logo. Then just wait for the lock screen to appear. That's it, your iPad is back on and ready to go. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you have an iPad Air whose physical buttons are not working properly or have been damaged, then you can quickly turn off and turn on your iPad Air. Here's how you can do this. You can also turn off your iPad from settings. Just open the settings app, go to General, and then tap on the shutdown button. Once the power off screen appears, slide your finger on the power off slider to turn the device off. Now that your iPad has turned off, how can you turn it back on without the top button? Well, you can easily do it by simply plugging its charger to its USB-C port. As soon as you plug in your cable, your iPad will boot up and will become ready to use in no time. And that's how you can turn off and turn on your iPad. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.